All right, let's talk shop drawings. Shop drawings are detailed plans that show how various components of a building will be fabricated, assembled, and installed. Created by contractors or suppliers, these drawings are submitted for approval before construction begins. Let's break down the key points about shop drawings in construction. So what kind of detailed information are we talking about here? Think of shop drawings as the instruction manuals for every single piece of your building. They tell you exactly what materials to use, how big each piece should be, and how it all fits together. We're talking about the exact dimensions of your windows and doors, the type of insulation, the layout of your electrical wiring, and more. These drawings include dimensions, materials, manufacturing methods, and installation details. They ensure everyone is on the same page, from the architect to the contractor. It's all about getting the details right, because in construction, the devil is always in the details. Now let's talk about how these shop drawings play into the actual construction process. These drawings are the backbone of the entire operation, serving as a bridge between the design phase and the actual construction on site. Many components are custom-made, fabricated to specific measurements and specifications. This means that each piece is unique and tailored to fit perfectly within the overall structure. Shop drawings guide the fabrication of these components, providing manufacturers with all the necessary information. These detailed drawings ensure that every element is crafted with precision, adhering to the highest standards of quality. This includes materials, dimensions, tolerances, and any special finishes. The level of detail in these drawings is crucial, as it leaves no room for error during the fabrication process. But it's not just about fabrication. Shop drawings also show how these components are to be installed on site. They provide a clear roadmap for the installation team, ensuring that each piece is placed correctly. They include detailed diagrams and instructions on how the pieces fit together. This step-by-step guidance is essential for maintaining the integrity of the structure and ensuring that everything aligns perfectly. This ensures everything goes together smoothly on site, preventing costly mistakes and reducing waste. A well-coordinated installation process can save both time and money, making the project more efficient. Remember, time is money on a construction site. Delays can be expensive, so having accurate shop drawings helps keep the project on track. Accurate and detailed shop drawings are essential for a successful project. They serve as a reference point for everyone involved, from the fabricators to the installers. They help keep the project on schedule and within budget. By providing a clear and detailed plan, shop drawings ensure that every phase of the construction process runs smoothly, ultimately leading to a successful and timely completion. Construction is a team sport, and communication and coordination are key. Shop drawings act as the communication hub for the entire project. They help avoid potential clashes and conflicts between different building systems. By overlaying different shop drawings, the design team can identify areas of interference. This is especially important in complex building designs with tight spaces. Shop drawings allow the team to virtually assemble the building, identifying and resolving issues early on. This proactive problem-solving saves time, reduces costs, and ensures the project runs smoothly. Now, let's talk about the approval process for shop drawings. This is a critical step in any construction project, ensuring that every detail is meticulously planned and executed. The contractor or subcontractor submits their shop drawings for review. These drawings are detailed plans that illustrate how various components of the project will be constructed. The consultant, usually the architect or engineer, reviews these drawings to ensure accuracy and compliance with project requirements. This review process is essential to catch any discrepancies or errors early on. They check dimensions, materials, connections, and construction methods. Every aspect is scrutinized to ensure it aligns with the overall design and specifications of the project. This approval process protects everyone involved, ensuring the owner gets what they paid for and the contractor builds to the correct specifications. It also helps in avoiding costly mistakes and rework. It also ensures the architect's and engineer's design vision is realized. Their creative and technical input is vital for the project's success, and the approval process helps in maintaining the integrity of their designs. Don't take the approval process lightly. It's a collaborative effort that requires attention to detail and clear communication among all parties involved. Make sure the shop drawings are reviewed thoroughly and signed off on before any work begins. This step is crucial to ensure that everyone is on the same page and that the project can proceed smoothly. This small step can save a lot of headaches down the road. Properly approved shop drawings can prevent misunderstandings and disputes, leading to a more efficient construction process. Accurate and approved shop drawings are crucial for a successful project. They serve as a roadmap guiding the construction team and ensuring that the final outcome meets the project's goals and standards. Let's talk about the importance of accuracy and compliance in shop drawings. These documents are the backbone of any construction project, serving as the detailed instructions for how a building or structure should be constructed. Without precise and compliant shop drawings, the entire project can face significant risks and setbacks. These drawings are legally binding documents that dictate how your project will be built. They serve as a contract between the owner, the architect, and the contractor, ensuring that everyone is on the same page. Any discrepancies or errors in these drawings can lead to costly delays, legal disputes, and even safety hazards. They must be accurate, detailed, and comply with all applicable building codes and industry standards. This means that every line, every measurement, and every note must be meticulously checked and double-checked. Compliance with building codes is not just a legal requirement, it's a matter of safety and quality. Safety and structural integrity start with accurate and compliant shop drawings. These drawings ensure that the building will stand the test of time and withstand various stresses and loads. They are the foundation upon which the safety of the entire structure rests. Owners need to ensure their architect and contractor are on top of the shop drawing process. Regular reviews and updates are essential to catch any potential issues early on. This proactive approach can save time, money, and resources in the long run. Contractors need to ensure their subcontractors submit accurate and compliant drawings. This means setting clear expectations and providing the necessary resources and support. A collaborative effort between all parties involved is crucial for the success of the project. Subcontractors need to understand the importance of getting the details right. Every small detail can have a significant impact on the overall project. Attention to detail and a commitment to accuracy are essential qualities for anyone involved in the creation of shop drawings. Shop drawings are a record of what was agreed upon and what should be built. They serve as a historical document that can be referred to long after the project is completed. Keeping these records organized and accessible is important for future maintenance and renovations. If something goes wrong, these drawings are the first thing people will look at. They provide a clear and detailed account of what was planned and what was executed. In the event of a dispute or investigation, accurate shop drawings can be a crucial piece of evidence. Let's make sure there's something we can all be proud of. By prioritizing accuracy and compliance in shop drawings, we can ensure the success and safety of our construction projects. It's a collective effort that requires diligence, collaboration, and a commitment to excellence. Construction is a symphony of moving parts with different trades working together towards a common goal. Shop drawings act as the sheet music that keeps everyone in sync. Different subcontractors need to coordinate their work to ensure their systems integrate seamlessly. Shop drawings provide a common language and shared understanding of how all these pieces fit together. By overlaying these drawings, potential clashes can be identified and adjusted. This collaborative approach helps prevent costly rework and scheduled delays. Shop drawings are one of the most effective communication tools in the construction industry. Once shop drawings are approved, they become the guiding documents for the entire construction process. They're used for ordering materials, fabricating components, and installing those components on site. Approved shop drawings represent a shared understanding of what's going to be built and how. They maintain quality control on the project. If there's ever a question about how something should be done, the approved shop drawings are the go-to reference. They help avoid disputes and provide documentation needed to resolve issues fairly. Approved shop drawings should be kept on site and referenced throughout the construction process. They're valuable documents that ensure the project is built right. In the construction world, things don't always go according to plan. Unforeseen site conditions, client changes, and mistakes can happen. Even when things change, shop drawings remain important. They provide a baseline for managing changes effectively. It's crucial to have a process for revising and updating shop drawings as needed. Changes to the design, scope of work, or materials must be reflected in the shop drawings. These revisions need to go through the same approval process as the original drawings. This ensures everyone is aware of the changes and that the revised drawings are accurate and compliant. Too much documentation is better than not enough. Shop drawings are a record of decisions and changes, ensuring the project is built right. So there you have it. We've covered a lot of ground today, and I hope you all have a better understanding of what shop drawings are and their importance. That's a wrap on shop drawings. I hope this video helped you understand their role in construction. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more construction insights. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.